How to fix Minecraft error code 0X803F8001. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix Minecraft error code 0X803F8001. This Minecraft error code often occurs when trying to launch the game or access certain features. Sometimes, signing out and back into your Microsoft Store account can resolve account syncing issues. Ensure your PC state and time are correct. Incorrect settings can cause issues with connecting to game servers. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter, as this tool can fix various app issues, including this error. Now press Windows plus R, type WS Reset, and press Enter to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Launcher from the Microsoft Store. Make sure your operating system is up to date, as outdated systems can cause various issues. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the issue by clearing temporary files and caches. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.